What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here at SEMA Apex Show, and come check out my truck, and then we're gonna go check out SEMA. So check out the truck at the NOCO booth. It looks sick. All right, so I think they're talking, but come check it out. Come check out the setup back here. I would have to say their booth looks freaking rad. So we got the Colorado out here, ZR2 up in the NOCO booth with their nice little wrap on there. I kind of dig the new wrap. It looks really good. We got the new wheels and tires. Got the new Ken Cleaver RTs and the Lock Offroad Baja wheels. Truck's looking sick. The NOCO booth's rad. Like, it's got a whole fucking upstairs VIP section, and then they got their jump starters right here, or air compressors right here, going. And then they have all their batteries. So I haven't showed you guys my dual battery system yet, but I'll show you guys once he's done talking over there. But truck's looking good. They cleaned it up for me. I haven't washed the truck since Pismo Beach, which is like 4 weeks ago, but we got it all cleaned up. So what we got going on here is we got the smart cap all built out in the back here. We got the refrigerator, we got the Roam case, so pretty much all the camping stuff. And this is their jumper right there. And then their plug, I haven't showed you guys the plug yet. So I have a dual battery system in here, and you can route it to your battery to do the inverter to charge it while you're driving. But right now we have it set up with the bumper. The plug is in the bumper right there. So that is charging the battery right now. So we got that right there. Shout out to Roam. We got the Roam setup. It's looking good. And yeah, dude, their booth looks sick. We got a VIP section up there. I was drinking some Corona Light up top. It's pretty sick. And then this is their whole selection of jumpers. We got a big boy for like a diesel or something. We got all the smaller ones. Got some plugs, some smaller jumpers right there. And we all have the different type of battery systems right here. And then the charger. So I'll show you guys the charger. I actually have a charger up in my dual battery system also. So it's looking sweet. The booth is crazy. Kind of nuts. Not gonna lie, it's kind of hard for me to film at these expos. I don't feel like that YouTuber guy, you know, but the truck's out here. It's looking good. It's looking real good. So once everybody's away from the dual battery system, I'll show you guys what we're working with here. It looks nice. It looks really good. All right, so right here we got the air compressor jumper box, and then we have the jumper box right here, and then we have the battery charger, which is plugged into the bottom of the bumper right there. So there's a plug in to charge the bumper, and then you have your battery right there. And then we have our dual battery system, and then we have the inverter on the back side of that wall on the smart cap. And it's all built out. We have the NOCO battery up front also. And then we have like 13 holes to charge things, so that's pretty cool. And that is the setup. What do you guys think? The wrap is looking sweet. All right, guys, I'm chilling upstairs in the VIP section. We got all the coffees and microwaves and shit you need. Come check it out. This is the top of the VIP section. Pretty crazy looking. There's truck. There's my truck. Probably should have replaced that double-sided sticky tape on the top of the bumper there. Because, or top of the smart cap, because you can kind of see, you see the little double-sided sticky tape action. But check out the upper deck right here. We're up top. We got some, we're just hanging out right now, because, not gonna lie, I've been walking around SEMA and everything a little bit more, and my feet hurt. My feet hurt. And I'm a country boy. I don't know how to use that monorail, and I had to for my first time. And I don't know the Tesla tunnels and shit. Couldn't figure it out. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go check out SEMA. Let's go check this shit out. See the other stuff. All right, everybody, we're pulling the whip out of NOCO's booth right now, and we're up in this lineup here. So I heard some horror stories about getting out of SEMA Apex, but so far it's been running smoothly, and the Chevy, the Chevy got a bunch of love at the booth, a bunch of pictures, and it turned out really good. Their booth looks crazy good, and I'm excited to see the whole final video. They did the whole video of like start to finish with this truck. Since I bought the new ZR2, we've kind of been working behind the scenes on that, and super excited to see the finished product. So let's get out of here, and then I'll talk to you guys when we get back. What's going on, guys? We made it out here to the Onyx off-road trail event, and we're going to be doing some wheeling this weekend. So I'll talk to you guys next week. You'll see a sweet Onyx off-road trail video, but we're going to go drink some beers right now. And shout out to NOCO for hooking it up on the dual battery system. But like you can see, we have the new GFC that I just got today. Drove all the way up to Tonopah, went through the alien land of Vegas and Nevada and everything. So we got the GFC out here. So we're gonna hit some trails tomorrow, and make sure to stay tuned for that. So I appreciate you guys so much. Peace out. Love you. Bye.